Hi, I'm Michael Unsworth. I'm the IT manager at L&R Manufacturing. We produce ultrasonic cleaning products for dental, jewelry, and law enforcement industry. Working with Lform has been great. They've enabled me to claim back some time in my own schedule that then I can use on other tasks and projects. I view website development as a long-term partnership instead of transactional, mainly because it allows us to work together both ways and see certain aspects of the project that I might not have seen and the developers and team at Lform might have actually seen to change how everything works together. I formed a good connection working with Lform because of the way we communicate with each other. We have a monthly Zoom meeting that we discuss the projects that we're working on, the projects that are open, the projects that are long into the future. And the ability to do so gives a lot of insight into where we're at each month. Lform has been a great success at helping us integrate our website into our new Odoo ERP system. They've enabled us to cut a lot of time out of our schedule by automating some processes that transmits data directly from our website into our ERP system. Feedback and revisions are handled very well at Lform. We can do this in a few different manners, over our monthly meeting, or if I just drop a line over email to the team, they'll respond to me pretty fast and we can break down what needs to be done and what needs to be revised pretty quickly. Communication and reliability has enabled us to have a strong connection with Lform. We can go back and forth on many projects and get things taken care of quickly and efficiently over calls. I'd highly recommend Lform to another business. You can trust them to be honest and clear with their costings, their workflows, and their availability. And they're not going to overtake work and take on too much.